Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope that all students are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. I am Amjad Hossain, assistant teacher of English, in our schools. I am here to teach you an important topic, an English grammar. So today my topic is narration. But after completing this class, you will overcome. Otherwise, you will not understand. Most of the students fear this topic. So, be attentive of my class. Okay, my dear learners, let's get started. Narration. Narration means speech. What is narration? The speech delivered by the speaker is called narration. We also know that narration is of two types. Number one, direct narration, and number two, indirect narration. So what is direct narration? The speech delivered by his own speech in front of listener is called direct narration. We also know that direct narration has two parts. Number one part is repeating verb and another repeated speech. So, such as I said to mother, it is repeating verb, and another, you are my best friend, it is repeated speech. So, how to change direct to indirect? Before going to discussion of narration, we have to discuss of indirect. What is indirect? We may also report what he said without quoting his exact word. This is called indirect narration. So I will change direct to indirect narration. I said to mother, instead of comma and inverted comma, we write down linking word that. We write down linking word that. So, repeated speech change three things. Number one, person. Number two, verb. And number three, adverb. Again, we have to change repeated speech three things. Number one, person. Number two, verb. And number three, adverb. Here, you is a second person. So we have to follow object, and first person we have to follow subject. Third person is no change. You have second person, so we will follow object, mother, she. Then we have to change verb. Amisa was where? She was. Mine is a first person, so we will follow subject. Best friend. I said to mother that she was my best friend. It is called of indirect narration. It is called of indirect narration. So we have to change three things of repeated speech. Number one, person. Number two, verb. And number three, adverb. First person will follow subject, and second person will follow object. Third person is no change. So in this way we have to change. Then adverb, then verb. So we have to follow some rules or shortcut technique, such as verb 1, verb 2. Amisa was where, had been, have has, had, shall, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, had to. In this way we have to change. Then adverb. Now, then, here, there, this, that, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day. So we have to change a person. We have to change a person. We know that person is of three types: first person, second person, and third person. Person, first person, second person, third person. Subject, object, possessive. I, me, my. We, us, our. First person. Then second person, you, your. Then third person, he, him, his. She, her, they, them, theirs. So we have to remember that what is person, and we also know that number is of two types, singular and plural. Verb. Direct to indirect. We have to change a verb. Direct to indirect. Verb 1, verb 2. Verb 2, had, verb 2, had plus verb 3. Do, does, did. Did, had plus verb 3. Amjad was where. Was where, had been. Have has, had. Had. Then, good. May, might, must, had to. Again, we have to change our verb direct to indirect, and we must follow some rules or shortcut technique. Direct to indirect, verb 1, verb 2. Verb 2, had plus verb 3. Do, does, did, had plus verb 3. Amisa was where, had been. Have has, had, can, could, may, might, must, had to. In this way, we have to change. Number 3, adverb. Now, then, here, there, this, that, this, those, come, go, come, go. Thus, so. Today, that day. Tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. Yesterday, the previous day. Again, reported speech. We have to change three things. Number one, person. Number two, verb. Number three, adverb. Adverb, direct to indirect. Now, then, there. This, that, this, those. Come, go. Today, that day. Tomorrow, the next day. Yesterday, the previous day. In this way, we have to change our adverb. So, we have to discuss about sentence. Before going to discuss our narration, we have to discuss sentence. So, what is sentence? We know that a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sentence. This is called sentence. We know that sentence is of 5 types. Number 1, assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, operative sentence. And 5, exclamatory sentence. How to understand of this kind sentence? So, assertive sentence. Number 1, assertive sentence. At the beginning, subject and its full stop is called assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. At the beginning, auxiliary verb and WS word and its question of mark is called interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Advice, order, request, forbid, propose. In this sentence are imperative sentence. At the beginning, main verb, do not, never, let, and its full stop is called operative sentence. Imperative sentence. Number 4, operative sentence. At the beginning, may or long, and its full stop is called operative sentence. Number 5, exclamatory sentence. At the beginning, WS word, how and what, and its note of exclamation is called exclamatory sentence. So I hope that all students have understood my speech. Do you have any problem? You will give me message or you will ask me. Okay? Assertive sentence direct to indirect. assertive sentence direct to indirect structure. Subject plus verb plus object plus instead of comma plus inverted comma we write down that plus subject plus verb plus object. Assertive sentence direct to indirect structure subject plus verb plus object plus instead of comma and inverted comma we write down that plus subject plus verb plus object, such as he said to me I am reading a book now. He said to me, it is repeating verb, then repeated speech. So we know that it is called of assertive sentence. How to change direct to indirect? Subject he. Instead of said to, we write down told. Or same, said to. Object me. Instead of comma and inverted comma, we write down linking word that. We know that first person will follow subject and second person will follow object. Third person is no change. So we have to change of person. Then verb. Amisa was where. Already we have learned. Amisa was where. Was where had been. Have has had. Shall will, would, can, could, may, might, must, had to. So I first person subject he. Amisa was he was reading a book. Now here adverb. So we will write down adverb now then. In this way we have to change direct to indirect. So it is assertive sentence direct to indirect. In this way we have to change. Second example, he said to me, you have done your duty. You have done your duty. He said to me, you have done your duty. So it is direct narration, we have to change indirect narration. Subject he. Instead of said to, we write down told. Object me. Instead of comma and inverted comma, we write down linking word that. Here is a you second person, so we have to change you. We know that you second person object me. Here we write down I. Have has had. I have done your second person, so we will follow object me, my duty. In this way, we have to change first person, subject, and second person, object. Third person is no change. So, I hope that my dear student have understood my speech. Do you have any problem? You will ask me. Stay home, stay safe, and stay with study because of COVID-19. Okay? Thanks. Okay.